start.
Hi, I've been doing my yoga practices and yogasanas with Swati Joshi's able guidance, and I had a L5S1 crack. There was a small crack in my L5S1, the lumbar region, and with her exercise, with her yoga, and with whatever she has trained me into. When last year we've taken an X-ray and my entire crack is healed and I'm out of this issue, thankfully. And apart from doing the chathar, apart from doing the cervical traction, lumbar traction, and killer forward, and all possible extensions on the rope and the grill program, this is a addition that has also helped me a lot. Though this looks very simple and very basic, the thing is that the entire spine is supported to the center of this grill. The center of my spine and this grill are actually literally touching each other, and I'm stretching my arms and making it a very stable posture. Hands are completely, they are holding the grill. My back is completely, my hips are resting on this particular thing. And also, I am in the Baddha Konasana posture when it comes to my feet. So this entire pose, though it looks very resting, and it's also a bit taxing when you start increasing your time in this. But this has given me some sort of comfort when I'm stressed, physically, mentally, emotionally, or if I'm overworked. It just immediately brings about a balance in the body. And for me now, after I'm done with all my asanas, as a practice to relax myself after it all, I do this for 10 to 12 minutes and I start feeling extremely comfortable. And that's why, as a joke, I've named this Laughing Buddha posture, because it really, I'm literally smiling and laughing at the end of it. Thank you so much, Swati. Thanks a lot.